Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain about the topic domain, codomain and range. I already explained this topic in the first video. I will explain that's in a very short manner. Here I will explain briefly. Okay, let's start. Okay, first I will going to explain about the topic domain. Okay, we see in that first video the domain means an output, right? Sorry, the domain means an input. Okay, we know that the domain means an input, that means the value of x. Okay, here I will give one function, that is f of x equals x plus 1. When you give an input x equal to 1, you get an output, that means f of x equal to 2. When you give x equal to 2, you get f of x equal to 3. If we give x equals 3, you get an output f of x equals 4. That means 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. If you give x equals 4, you get an output f of x equals 5. This is an output. I am going to draw an arrow diagram of this function. Arrow diagram is two sets. This is the first one is considered the values of x, that means the values of input. Here the values of y, that means the values of output. Here I will give 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. whatever it may be. Okay, I need to draw the image of this. Okay, when x equal to 1, I get the image 2, right? When x equal to 2, I get an image 3. When x equal to 3, I get an image 4. When x equal to 4, I get an image 5. Here, you must notice this is an image. The values of output is considered as image. Okay, the pre-image means the values of x, that means input. This is this is pre-image. I hope you understand this. Again, we need to identify what is domain here. Domain, we need to identify domain. Domain means the values of x, that means an output. Here the values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then we need to identify the codomain. What is codomain here? The codomain is nothing but it's an values of y, that means the values of output. I explained in the first video, that is the range is the values of output, right? The range is the values of output, but there is one condition in there. That means the range is the values of output. The values of output means what are the images are in this output, that is considered as a range. Codomain means all the values, whether the values is an image or not, all the values are in y is considered as codomain. That means here what are the values are here 1, 2, etc., 7, right? This is codomain. Range means the image of image. All the images are considered as range, and the values of output, and there is all the images that are considered as here range. That means 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a range. Okay, I hope you understand this domain, codomain, and range. Okay. Now I am drawing, this is a function, right? This is a function, we know that through this arrow diagram we consider this is a function. I will draw another one arrow diagram here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Drawing this, whether this is a function, we need to check whether this is a function or not. Here this is not a function. Why this is not a function? Because every input must have one output. Here the input is here, the values of x is here, there is no output. We must get an output. If this is a function, we must get an output. Here we doesn't get an output, right? So this is not a function. Not a function. Not a function. Okay. I will draw another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I will draw. Okay, this is a function or not. We want to check whether this is a function or not. Here the values of input is 1, 2, 3, right? If I give one input, I only get one output. I only get an unique output. That is called function. Here the input is here. I get a 2 output. That is 4 and 5. So it's not a function. Okay, I explained in the first video about the vertical line test. Whether we need to check the graph is a function or not, we use the vertical line test to check the graph is a function or not. Okay, I explained in the first video. I hope you all understand this. Okay, thank you.